Want to know how to make an AI agent reformat data? Well, no worries. In this video, we're going to use AgentGPT and create an agent that easily reformats the data. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website and you should be right here. And now we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, which is on our page. So make sure to watch it. So you should be by default on deploying a new agent. If you're not, just simply like home, it should be on the left side. And once you're there, you can just simply name it anything. So I'm just going to name it data formatter. And then on the goal, just simply type in this. You can just simply type in anything in the example, name it JSON or anything. In this video, I'm just going to write JSON and then just simply paste any data and then select enter. And once that is done, it should start execution and your agent generation should start as well. So after a while, it should think and it should complete your prompt and it should create an agent that you desire. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.